Fatima. We are here in Mexico and we are here to collect the manure for our plants. This is our 5th day that we've been here, and since it will be the 5th and last, I wanted to oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I wanted to record for you guys. We're here at a land of a lady that and her husband, they work out in the we could say out of the country, and we buy her manure every time we come that we need it. We buy. This lady here has 30, more than 30, I believe, dogs. And when we come, they already know us because we've been here for our 5th day, so they already know us. But she uh, she does her work herself. Poor lady already with her work did three of her fingers are cut, and she is blind from one eye because of the she poked herself with a bowl, I guess. I don't know how she did it, but yeah. So she has these little calves here. They are very lucky for a lot of the baby heifers, which are the girls. She is giving the la voy a filmar tantito. This is her. She tightens her cows and lets the calves, baby calves, suck on them. And here's a dog. She's got a lot of them. We took 2. They're very mean, but she's around. When she's around, it's okay. See, she is feeding him. Look at all these little baby ones. We took 2 baby ones from her. She does a lot of her work herself, or and her husband. And so we are here. She's feeding the baby. ¿Este es otro nuevo que nació?
Sí.
Oh, mira. And like I said, she has a lot of dogs everywhere because it's for the protection, because people do steal. She told me that they stole 3 of her horses. So now with the dogs, they make noise and they bought a gun. So whenever they hear noise, they come out to check. Quieren tomar también.
Sí, quieren tomar, se pegan también. Sí, ya no quiere, como ya le mamó la vaca poquito.
Ya no quiere.
Casi una ya no quiere. No está muy llenita, está enferma.
¿Está enfermita de qué?
Esta la compramos.
¿O la compraron?
Sí, esta nada más sí costó 5,500. Pero mire cómo le digo a mi esposo que la trajo el señor bien enferma del ombligo. Está demasiado inflamada.
¿Sabes lo que es eso?
Ajá.
Dicen que a veces, porque sí me han nacido antes cuando tenía yo vacas, es que a veces nacen con ya lo, ¿cómo se llama? Cuando nosotros tenemos quebradura. Pero yo no hace daño, que si no es, si no tiene pus o nada, no.
Siempre es inflamación. Nosotros siempre se las curamos con la fluvicina.
¿Y si trabaja?
Sí, con la fluvicina les ayuda a desinflamar y descompone el ombligo.
Oh.
Nada más que ahora, ayer tenía yo que ir a traerla, pero ya no fui a traerla. Ajá, pero...
Sí, pero es mejor que vaya rápido porque si no.
Sí, la voy a traer ahora porque
Y tiene poquito.
No quiere comer bonito, porque el ombligo
Sí.
dañado. Pero entre lo que come, nada más lo único que le puse fue penicilina acuosa para prevenir una infección.
Una infección.
Ajá.
Sí.
Pero le hace falta el desinflamatorio.
Yeah, she says that her baby calf has a problem with the belly, the umbilical cord. It's infected, or it's got a little bit. But she says that she's curing it. She needs to just go pick up some kind of a medication for it. So this is our pickup here in Mexico. We bought this pickup years ago when the avocados were very expensive, and we bought it. The pickup was very cheap at that time, but right now they're more more expensive. It's an older pickup, and this is my husband. We are going to start with our work, and he is preparing, getting it in a little mound so that we can pick it up. So here's my worker. Say hi over to everyone.
Hello, I'm playing with the money.
Playing with the money, because he says that that this is money because by putting that on the trees, they produce bigger avocados and they produce a lot of the flower. And right now our trees are starting up with flower, and by putting a lot of the manure, they get big avocados. So, and then the flowers, they come out a lot of flower. It blooms, the trees bloom a lot because they have a lot of the fertilizer, and they have a lot of the nutrients that the tree needs to be able to produce the flower and bigger avocados. So that little house over there, can you believe that somebody lives in that little house? People here, live whatever way that they can. So that's that little house. Looks like it's just one room on that house. And these are the older houses that they used to have. The one that's right here on the side, right there, that's the older homes that they used to build out of it's a different kind of a block. I don't know if you guys can see it from all the way over there. I don't like to go too much over there because of somebody else there that lives there, and I don't want them to say that I'm prying. But we've already cleaned that corral over there, but I think we're going to be cleaning it more because we need 20 more sacks. This guy here is preparing he's fixing the fences because the fences are falling down. So he's preparing that. And yeah, early morning, she's already on her way, just working and working. Yeah, it's hard. The life here is very hard. Women, they don't have too much work to do, but some people that want to help their husbands do. Not a lot of people do. So today, I am going to be helping my husband fill the sacks. We've been doing that for over 5 days. Look at the dog here. He's just relaxing, chilling. I've been helping him with the manure, and I'm pretty tired. But my husband's very tired because he's putting water on his plants as he fills up sacks, and as he because the filling up is very hard too. And so as he's doing that, he has to fill them, put them inside the truck. We need to carry him out there. We need to fill it up, carry it out, get home, and take them out, put them on the trees, one on each tree, one bag on each tree, and then we afterwards, like towards the nighttime, he has to put water to dissolve the manure. So I thought that you guys would like to see this, how people here live. Also because we pay for this manure. With that money, she told me she bought food, plus she bought salt for her cows, because her cows needed salt. And so, the other day her husband went and he went and sold a cow. Oh, there's the dogs. They're after the cows. Like they tried to get the cows to go to a certain place. See, and they get kicked too. So yeah, They this is the smaller ones that they have here, and then when they get to a certain point, they let them out. So yeah, they also people also buy. See how much they give? It's a pretty big calf. He's supposed to be weaned already, but he's not weaned yet. They give him milk from the leftover cow's milk so that they can get him strong. But that calf should have been weaned already. Look at the dogs, they fight. They want to eat, all dogs. Look at the little pups. And she has also more girl dogs and female dogs, and they are pregnant. So, and then she gives some away. We took 2 of her pups so that we can raise. My sister-in-law is the one that's going to be taking care of our land, and she's the one that's going to be raising them. So we're going to stop for right now, and just wanted to let you guys see a little bit of what we're doing here. My health is a little bit better from when I came. I've been having a lot of trouble with not so much business-wise as personal problems that people cause. Sometimes it's not your own problem, that people bring them into your home, the problem. So yeah, we are a little bit better. My nerves are a little bit better. It got to a point where I couldn't even do any more videos. I was very, very sick. When I came here for a whole week, I did not do anything because I just needed to get myself better. I'm getting better. It's a process, but I'm getting better. And I got away from what was bothering me right now. I needed to just get away and take a little bit of a relaxation. I did not have the ambition, or I didn't have the willpower to do any more videos. I just felt really down and didn't have the patience to do that either. So it was hard. It was hard, but I'm getting myself better, and I still have a few weeks left here. So I'm trying to get better so that when I get back over there, I can handle what is going on with the business. And it's a waiting process right now that we're waiting, and hopefully won't be too much longer. But you know, we're trying to handle it and trying to keep our minds busy, not to stress so much about what's going on. All right, guys, we will see you guys. I don't want to make this video too big. Hopefully I'll get a couple more videos. I know some of you like to watch some of these videos from Mexico, and some don't, but we need to give a little bit of the need to do some of these videos for some of the people that really like it, and the other ones that don't, then we'll do another type of the video of budgeting, which right now the budget is very hard for us, because right now there's not too much to budget, because we are in the process of right now we're at November 9th today, but in December I need to get all my taxes paid up. And so with 2 houses that people haven't been paying, and paying the mortgage and doing everything, it's pretty hard. But we need to do what we need to do, and just, you know, keep on moving. If we can't pay, we'll just pay the late fee and continue. We'll just do what we need to do to get our things paid up for the year. And I was down on paying my Visa, but right now I'm sure it's gone back up again. It was down to $2,000, went from almost $20,000, went down to $2,000, but right now I'm sure it's back up again, because even though my son has made a payment since I've been here, but I'm sure it's up again, because we still have insurances that are coming in, and everything else that is through the month. So, but we'll do what we have to do. I'm not going to stress because stressing is not, it's only affecting my health. It's not really helping me with anything. So guys, I mean, I just don't want to make this video way too big. It's enough for this one, and we will see you guys on a next video that I will be making, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.